In our last test, we saw that the direction in the APK was exactly the same in the Unity editor. It means the cube was in our right side and the sphere was in our left side. So it's time to discuss about the distance and positions. The unit of positioning in Unity is metric. It means if we say the sphere z variable is equal 7, it means 7 meters from our current position. So at our new test, I want to put the cube at first cube hide and put the sphere in front of camera and put it in 3 meters, 4 meters. Okay, and test. Let's do test in our Android phone. Okay, as we can see, the big sphere appears exactly front of us, but in 4 meters far away of us. So when we walk to going to there, we can see we exactly arrived the position of sphere.